my Rosebud family, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy Rose with Chrissy Rose TV, and today I'm going to do a What's in My Braces kit. So this is the bag that I carry around with me everywhere I go, and if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing I have in my kit is a travel toothbrush. So this is good for if you go out to eat, and after you eat, you can just run to the bathroom, brush your teeth. And then sometimes the bathroom is nasty, so I don't use this. But I do have other things that I use, and I'll let you in on that little secret. The next thing I have is mouthwash. So this is not only good for after you brush your teeth, but sometimes you can't get to a bathroom. So this is good for just swishing it around in your mouth, breaking up some of the particles, being able to spit it out. That's good for that as well. Toothpaste. Self-explanatory. Okay, so this right here is the best thing ever when you can't get to a bathroom. I would normally just take one of these. It looks like this. And you just get in between the wires and in between the teeth, and you can get out the food like that. So this is good when you can't get to a bathroom to brush your teeth. I love these. And I usually use the gum brand, but the gum brand in green, the green package. But when I went to the store, they were out, so I picked these up. These are cheaper. It's the Walmart brand. So I did pick these up, but next time I go to the store, I will be getting the gum brand again. Chapstick. And I use this medicated chapstick because this is good. For some reason, when you have braces, your mouth and your lips are super dry. So I use this whenever my lips get dry. And it's also great for your orthodontist appointments because holding your mouth open, your lips tend to get dry real quick. So, yes, that's one of my favorites. This right here, Gushy Goo. So I bought this from Amazon, and this works to me better than wax, but it gets stuck all in your brackets. So I try not to use this for the front of my teeth, but this works so good on the wires in the back. So if you have a wire sticking out in the back, I normally just put this on in the back, and it gets hard, like not like cement, but it gets super hard. So this is good for wires or your back teeth. I won't use it in the front because it does get in between the braces and it's hard to come out. Speaking of wax, I don't use wax. I use the silicone earplugs. And this is a brand new package. But yeah. And because I did take the top off. Yeah. So I use these instead of wax. It molds better. Yeah, I like these better than wax. So the next thing I have is oral gel. So this worked for me when I first got braces. For some reason, my mouth would be really, really dry, and I would just put this on my gums, and it would help with that dryness of my mouth. And it just worked. It worked whenever you're having teeth pain or gum pain. Just use some oral gel. It worked for me. I don't know about anyone else, but these right here are the Pro Glide threaders. So yeah, I took the packaging off because it was easier to fold and put in my bag. But these are so much better than the little threaders that the orthodontists give you, because these you don't have to keep threading it through. You can just put it through the wire, floss your teeth, Put it through the, pull it out, put it through the next one. Floss your teeth, pull it out. And these work so much better than having to keep threading it, then floss, then keep threading it, then floss. So yeah, these right here are bomb.com. This next thing I got is a oral care kit. And I bought this kit basically just for the mirror. So yeah. So this mirror is good for if you get in front of a mirror, you can see if your wire, where exactly your wire is poking you in your cheeks, and put some wax on it or some gushy goo. And it's just good just seeing where your wires are and what problem you having with your teeth. This right here is a must, to me at least. So yeah. The next thing I got is these little whisk brushes. So this is actually a little brush. This is actually a little brush, and that little ball in there is actually a mouthwash ball. So it's not gonna get your teeth clean, but it does freshen it. Just rub it, brush your teeth. If you don't have a toothbrush, you just got these are good. It just brush, get in there, and it also freshens your mouth because, like I said, that little ball that's in there, let me see. That little ball that's in there is actually a scope mouthwash ball. So these are very good as well. If you can't get to a travel toothbrush or a mini toothbrush, these will work just fine. So that is the conclusion of what's in my dental bag. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below and I will try to answer them. Also, let me know what you want to see next. Either it be anything concerning my braces, a different store that you want me to do a haul on. Just let me know and I'll try to do it. Until then, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.